Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on another makeup video that I love so much doing. Yes, so let's get started. I took off my glasses so I'm completely blind. I took them off because I didn't feel good with the headband on, and I need the headband to get my hair out of the way. So I already moisturized my skin, and what I'm using today, because I'm gonna be kind of outdoors, kind of, exposed to the sun a little bit. So I did pull out my Trader Joe's moisturizing sunscreen moisturizer thingy, SPF 40, blah blah blah, invisible gel formula. This is the one I'm using today. So I already did that. And now on top of that, I'm gonna spray this to prep my skin for my foundation. And of course, this is a MAC Fix Plus spray. I was thinking of going to CVS and getting the Milani one because I love that one so much. But for now, I'm using this one. So today I'm getting ready to hang out with friends. We're going to do some fun stuff, dinner and things. Okay, so for my foundation, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Pro Matte. And I don't use this because, I mean, I love this thing. I love it because it lasts long. But my face doesn't need to be matte. I stopped fighting against the oiliness of my skin. I just deal with it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit on the back of my hand like this. And then I'm going to get a brush, and that's what I'm going to use to spread it out. The color I'm using today is 105 Natural Beige. That's the one I'm using today. And I'm going to pick up the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation, get some on my brush, and start putting it on my face. I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope everybody is having a great weekend so far. Me and Lily have been chilling. It's been hot now again. So I don't know if you guys can hear it. I hope not. That's why I got the microphone for, but the AC is full blast. It's loud. And I get my lids too. Okay, so there's my skin with the foundation on. Isn't it pretty? I love the way it looks. Like, I'm looking at it in the mirror and I'm like, whoa, it looks like I have a filter. Like, when you do pictures, all my imperfections and like blemishes is gone. Okay, so the concealer let me see, is my thing on? The concealer I'm gonna be using is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I know I pulled out a bunch of L'Oreal stuff. It's good stuff. This is how the applicator looks. Okay, and I'm gonna dab here, here, couple here, couple here. And it's a big applicator, so a little goes a long way. Remember that. So that way you're not smearing too much on. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna spread out the concealer with it. Okay, so this is with my concealer on. I feel like I don't even need to set it. Like, everything looks really flawless. Like, the eyes look good. Of course, I'm gonna set the eyes. And I'm gonna set the eyes with the Laura Mercier that I've been using. Okay, so I'm gonna usually flip it upside down, make sure I get some out, and then I flip it again, and there it is. Now I'm gonna get my little sponja. I'm gonna set my under eye. And the lid. If if I put too much sometimes, I just, dab it off, or I go back in with a brush. and tap it. This brush is by NYX. It's 05. It just has a number. It doesn't say anything else. It's just a tiny brush like this. Okay, and then for my powder, I'm gonna use the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation by L'Oreal. I know, I'm telling you. I dug out all my L'Oreal stuff. So I'm gonna use the other side of my sponge and lightly set my T-zone pretty much. Just a little bit. I feel like it doesn't even need setting because it's so, look at it, it's so mattifying already. It looks pretty. Even like in this area. This is the area that I get redness sometimes. But yeah. Okay, so the palette I pulled out. I know I should switch it off. It's the NYX. I'm pulling this one out again because it's so neutral and I feel like I could do so many cool looks with it. I don't know. I love it. I'm going to do this fluffy brush. This one's the Wet n Wild. Okay. So I'm gonna pick up this light brown right here. Okay. Okay, so I just finished doing my brows. I just realized that I didn't do them. So I'm applying the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel. This one right here. I'm just combing my brows through only where I have hairs pretty much. Not too much because I don't have any brows and I don't want to smear this on. So okay, with that same brown, I'm sorry. I'm going in on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna get the smudge brush in that same color. I'm gonna do the bottom of my eyes. It's hard to see with no mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this. It looks green gold to me. I don't know, green. This one right here. I swatched it and I like the way it looks, and I also haven't used that color at all. So I'm gonna place that on my lid, all over my lid, and look how vibrant. Yeah, yeah. I have a story about my nails. I had to take them off because I couldn't put my faja on, and since I'm sizing down, it's a tighter faja, so I just took it off. I'm like, oh my god, I can't with these nails. Anyways, I'm putting the shadow above where that fold is because I have hooded eyes. So when I open my eyes, you can see it. See how it's kind of hiding there? That's how I do it. Because my eyes are hooded. I'm doing a very simple eye because I want to do an eyeliner look today. Okay, everybody, I just did my eyeliner as you can see, and I also did my mascara. The eyeliner I used today is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. I know everything's L'Oreal today. And I pulled out the Telescopic Lift by L'Oreal. This is for my lashes. I just did my bottom lashes right now, so I'm kind of afraid to like look down. Anyways, let me get this mirror. Um, I like the way the eyes look. I really do. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my face, and the one I'm gonna use today is this one by Makeup Revolution. It's the cream bronzer. It looks like this. I haven't pulled this one out in a long and not well, yeah, it's been a while. So that's why I want to do it because I'm like, whoa, dude, the hell? I haven't pulled this out. Hold on, I'm looking for a. Okay, so I'm gonna use this contour brush. I know it's fluffy, but I feel like it could work anyway. I think I've done it with this brush before, and we're gonna go right in very gently just tap it onto the skin. If I need more, I'll go in for more. That's cool. I can barely see it because I'm so blind, but I feel like that looks pretty good. Of course, we can build it up. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more. I hate being blind, and I hate that I have to wear my glasses. I love glasses. It's just, when I'm doing my makeup, I can't see, and I need to have the mirror like in front of my face. So annoying. So there it is. I literally just tap it on. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the bronzer, and I'm gonna do my, I was gonna say my head. I'm gonna do the top of my face above my, on my hairline, I guess. Okay, when I go a little overboard, I could kind of see on the mirror that I went overboard on this side. I just pick up one of my brushes, either the one I did my foundation with or my concealer, and I just blend that on. I'm sure it has a little bit of product still on, so it helps me blend things down. See? Magic. It's just makeup. And I'm going to do a little bit on the bottom of my chin. My chin. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit on my nose just to give my nose a little dimension. Just very lightly. I'm so scared. I don't want to go, I don't want to go overboard with it. Like that. And like that. Chiseled nose. Oh my god. So I just looked in the mirror and I'm like, whoa, my nose looks like slim. Like, like I did something like surgery or something. But this is what makeup does. You can make your face look either bigger or slimmer, and it's amazing. Can't wait for Halloween. Halloween is my favorite. My blush, I pulled out this Fearless Coral by L'Oreal. It's a 20-hour fresh wear blush. And I looked at it right now and I'm like, damn, is it going to be too much? But I don't know. Let's just try it. Maybe it won't. So I'm going to pick up this fluffy brush. I used this one for this specific color the other day. This one's by Real Techniques. I don't know. I just use it for my blush. Tap off the axis and we'll go right in. Look at that. That looks good. Not too much. Okay, ladies and gents, I don't want to do lipstick today, so I pulled out my lip oil. This one is Fruit Fetish Raspberry Peach Lip Oil by Milani. I love these. Oh my god, they're my favorite. And I've been looking at, making sure my microphone's on. I've been looking at TikTok shop for those color changing lip oils. Dude, I want it. I want them so bad. It's dangerous, the TikTok shop. I'd be lurking and stalking because I'm like, should I get it? Should I not? Wait a minute. But they're pretty cool. I love how this one smells. Oh, it smells so good. I love lip oils because they give me like that natural. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I'll get you right now. I love them because they give you that natural shade of your lips and it gives you a glossy look and it's just beautiful. It's perfect. I feel like it goes with any eye look, any makeup that you do. And I really, really like how subtle it is. It's not too much. Of course, if you want a lot, you can do like a lip liner and then the lip oil or lipstick and then lip oil. But I've never done that. I mean, that's just an idea. I mean, I think. I don't know. I've never done it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I fluffed up my hair. I feel like she deserves to be down and free today. So that's how I'm going to do my hair. I know that when I deal with Lily, when I have to pick her up or whatever, I need to do things with her, I need to pull my hair back. I just feel the need to like pull it back. Anyways, this is my makeup look for today. I know my eyeliner looks kind of funny on the corners, but I have to do it like that because I have hooded eyes. Look, see? And there it is, you guys. Just double checking, make sure I don't look weird. Thank you guys. Thank you to everybody that has been looking at my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have fun. Thank you so much. This is how my makeup looks with my glasses on. I had to clean them. Thank you.